Take a close look at yourself in the mirror. Beneath your dashing good looks churns a hidden universe of networked machinery. The machinery includes a sophisticated scaffolding of interlocking bones, a netting of sinewy muscles, a good deal of specialized fluid, and a collaboration of internal organs chugging away in darkness to keep you alive. A sheet of high-tech, self-healing sensory material that we call skin seamlessly covers your machinery in a pleasing package. And then there's your brain. 3 pounds of the most complex material we have discovered in the universe. This is the mission control center that drives the whole operation, gathering dispatches through small portals in the armored bunker of the skull. Your brain is built of cells called neurons and glia, hundreds of billions of them. Each one of these cells is as complicated as a city, and each one contains the entire human genome and traffics billions of molecules in intricate economies. Each cell sends electrical pulses to other cells, up to hundreds of times per second. If you represented each of these trillions and trillions of pulses in your brain by a single photon of light, the combined output would be blinding. The cells are connected to one another in a network of such staggering complexity that it bankrupts human language and necessitates new strains of mathematics. A typical neuron makes about 10,000 connections to neighboring neurons. Given the billions of neurons, this means there are as many connections in a single cubic centimeter of brain tissue as there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The 3-pound organ in your skull, with its pink consistency of jello, is an alien kind of computational material. It's composed of miniaturized, self-configuring parts, and it vastly outstrips anything we've dreamt of building. So if you ever feel lazy or dull, take heart. You're the busiest, brightest thing on the planet. Ours is an incredible story. As far as anyone can tell, we're the only system on the planet so complex that we've thrown ourselves headlong into the game of deciphering our own programming language. Imagine that your desktop computer began to control its own peripheral devices, removed its own cover, and pointed its webcam at its own circuitry. That's us. And what we've discovered by peering into the skull ranks among the most significant intellectual developments of our species. The recognition that the innumerable facets of our behavior, thoughts, and experience are inseparably yoked to a vast, wet, chemical electrical network called the nervous system. The machinery is utterly alien to us, and yet somehow it is us.